Transformers voice right now. What the fuck is this? It's not the dubstep part either, it's a legit voice.
Maybe the Transformer 4 movie.
Awful movie, I don't recommend it.
I've seen XBMC. He like
Guardians of the
combined.
Galaxy, I recommend that.
You've made your point.
No way the hell is he keeping up with that?
Oh, he learned how to boost ramp. Oh, looks like we're all fucked.
Reality could be like that.
Alright, but I got beat by C-Ready in fucking mine.
The first time. Shit.
Whoa, what the fuck? My left fucking...
I love that Mustang. That's pretty.
Oh, you won't like mine. I'm not bringing out though.
Aw.
That was what
He's just waiting for me to come around the fucking container. Like, is he coming around?
Whoa.
Is he coming around? I'm gonna pull up if he's coming around.
I like that Sultan over there.
Which one?
Black one.
Yay, thank you.
Car's too fast. Oh, it's starting to rain!
Not for me.
Every damn
Not for me
time.
either.
Gone.
Yeah.
Oh, but he's pulling a little bit, and I'm pulling even more. Oh, but that time we both didn't hit the fucking container.
Let's stop.
Damn it, now it's raining.
Alright.
Oh shit, my hood's off. That's gonna fuck my engine.
Let's go underground racing.
Just drift, fuck it.
Where's the shady spot? Oh, shit.
Where are we going?
And I'm gonna get in through here. Okay, cool.
Just, fuck.
Damn, you guys are going fast.
I gotta make sure where it's at before, break. Right down the court.
Yeah, but if we had a car show, who won it?
I did,
I
obviously.
say the
He
station
said I did,
wagon
obviously. Yeah, that station wagon killed it, dude.
I say the Gray Schwarzer, that thing was on point. Yo, Beatbox, that was a good race, dude.
What?
That was a good race.
Not really, you beat me by a car. If it was a good race, I probably would have won by maybe a fender.
Alright, kid.
Move my car out of the way.
Oh, whoa. Did not mean to do it that fast, my bad.
No, he's gone.
Cool with being up front.
Remember what happened when you tried that last time, Matt?
Alright. Drivers, you ready?
Yep.
Ain't good?
Oh wait, is the chopper ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yep. Jazz
I'm
hands
ready.
again.
Holy shit, there's so many bottles.
Nope.
Oh shit.
Nice SUV slide.
So,
What was I going to say?
Yeah, I'll
just
give
hover
this
where I'm at,
station
just
two
keep it
stars.
stable.
I'm giving the station wagon 2 cars.
Alright.
Dude, this thing's a beast. She ain't gonna beat this shit.
Okay, you guys ready?
SUV, you want a length or two?
Fine.
I almost hit that thing.
Alright,
so
you guys
I
ready?
tried to move over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need me to move? Tell me where you want me, and I'll move wherever you want me to go. Alright.
Go baby, go baby, go!
I'm gonna have to grab a new chopper.
Who the
Alright.
fuck was in the car with me?
Can both of you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
When the hell did you get in my car, Nemesis?
Oh shit, he's pulling. He's pulling a lot more than I thought. Holy fuck! And I still pull it out.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Yep. Burnouts for days. Actually, could someone flag? I want to race this. I want to race this.
I'm gonna try.
Damn it! Bad launch.
Tyler, take like 2-3 lengths.
Goddamn. Goddamn. Ooh.
I like that race right there. That's good, dog.
I don't think that.
Nice run.
Glad I pulled out this baby.
Nice run.
Ooh, I got my work cut out for me here. I'll tell you that much. Got a flare.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Was it? Shit.
Yeah, that was a jet. What the fuck?
Hold on.
Go.
Oh shit. Fucking Felcher got him.
Shit.
Ready?
Josh, where's your piece of shit at? You don't want none.
I just spun the tires off the line, just like. And I still get whooped. Goddamn.
Good race, good race.
This one Tindos. Ready?
Again. Fuck.
Give me
it's
1
a
second, I
decent
gotta burn
race.
out. Give me 1 second.
Well. Get out here,
Oh, use the horn. It adds 50 horsepower. Nope.
Whoa!
So, can one of you guys explain to me how to launch real good? That's what's killing
All
me.
about throttle control.
Yeah. Imagine if you was really racing in real life, how would you do it? Would you just
Yeah.
fucking slam it to the ground and be like, ah, I'm ready to go?
Oh my gosh. Let me hit up that comment here in a second. The massacre.
Fuck, he's gone.
Right?
Oh no, PZ, get out. PZ, get out. I need as much weight reduction as possible.
Hands go down.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Go baby, go baby, go, 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 go. No. My dreams are
Tyler,
finished.
go off it.
Hold on, I'm not
Ready?
Yep.
Yep. unfair.
Go, 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 go. Woohoo!
Ooh, I was right on that ass.
No, no.
I was right on that ass.
Sweet.
What up? Is that you want a rematch?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Get out here, be
Alright,
boss.
alright.
Get on my level.
I wasn't ready on that one. I was handing my girl a lighter.
Just let me know when you want to race. I'm gonna sit back for a minute.
Oh, I take out that jester.
Hey, Matt, can I use your
Alright, this next one I'll
latest,
chase
wait,
him.
wait.
BZ now?
Wait, flag it. Wait.
Well, I'll take that jester.
Alright, go.
What?
Can I use your blade to run against in the sacro?
I tried to hold back a little bit that time.
I like how there's a car show on the side too.
Yeah, I'm like,
Oh, no.
that's correct.
No.
Oh shit.
Rematch this shit.
I'll take on that salt again if you want.
It's gone. Go ahead now, stay there.
Not
Back
this
out.
time.
I'll take that LG. I'll take that LG.
This is the final match. Wait. Let's get this right. Wait. I need some good burnout.
Pull.
Just like, wait, what do I do?
Nope.
Ah, damn.
Jester.
Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Go. Oh.
Wait.
I think I
Wait,
got
Tiger.
you.
I think that was a dead tie, dude. Matt, did you get that shit?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
God
There goes the helicopter. Trailing poorly behind.
Both ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh fuck! you
Working
got me
perfect.
You got me with on the line.
Oh,
I totally did not mean to do that.
damn. Yeah,
We got it on camera. We'll see.
you guys can start a little bit further up.
Need some good burn.
Now I'm nervous. We got it on
Alright.
camera. We'll see. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna wait for the chopper, guys.
Yeah, let's run that one again just to make it fair.
Alright, chopper, you good?
Yep.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Holy shit, that LG beat the fucking 9F off the line. That doesn't really happen that often.
That LG's ridiculous.
Whoa, what did we just hit?
I think that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, tons of wheel spin.
Wait. I need
Hold
some.
on, not yet, not yet.
This guy.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck him.
Passenger view of my car whooping somebody's ass.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Ooh, that blade. And the chopper. That's
Bad
awesome.
start.
There we go.
Let's go, Corvette.
Yeah, I know. I'm bringing my car. Really? A blue Comet with blue, like, fucking trim wheels? That looks...
Wait.
Somebody bring a coquette?
Both you guys ready?
Yep.
I love seeing that chopper take off after it. You guys ready?
Yep.
that was good timing there. That chopper, that was good timing.
Whoa.
Nope.
Man, that was stupid close.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm beating the coquette. I feel proud of myself right now. Woohoo!
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm borrowing
Okay,
somebody's
now this is
blade.
stupid close. This is stupid close. I won that shit.
Alright, I want to get some racing in.
Thanks.
Shit.
I think I'm pulling. I'm pulling. I'm pulling. No.
Ain't.
Nope.
Yeah, we've been putting in some work on this.
That
This is-
long
yeah.
already?
Yeah, this is a good
Guys
one.
ready?
Time flies when you're having fun, man.
No shit, man.
I'm actually, yeah, I should
Yeah.
probably. I gotta
Guys
work
ready?
tomorrow. This is bad.
Yeah.
Oh, is anyone in that Corvette? Oh, the light purple. Alright. I'll take it.
Wait until I get back down here in this chopper.
I'm drifting in a comet.
Oh, this ought to be interesting.
King Cobra. Oh shit.
By a snake. Oh, grab.
You guys
Got
ready?
it? Too much power for you?
$3 grand on the stock row.
Oh, B-Bucks, I'll take you, B-Bucks.
So who is
Yo, I love
it?
when there's a pace.
What the hell was that thing?
That's a fucking rice viper.
What a rematch.
Yep.
You guys fly so low sometimes. I feel like you could just hop in. I think if I hit Y, it'll work.
I don't want to see no more of that bullshit. Whatever. I'm the phone.
Hope it helps in this race.
Oh.
Looks like it's working for us so far.
Fuck. I couldn't get it out. We got to go again, nigga.
I got my level B-Bucks.
Ah, shit. Yeah. I'm ready for this right here.
Take me down.
Okay, ready, guys?
Oh, that's damn close, man. Looks like...
Blue on blue.
There is a shitload of fucking cars over there.
It's the best
Fuck.
blue, man.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, that bottle seems to be working for him. Not anymore. I'm racing.
I know.
I'm gonna laugh if the fucking Masakro's fucking tires blew out right before the race started. That had light pretty fast.
Yeah.
Holy shit,
That's a
really
jump.
big the launch. I'm like,
Nah, I fucked up my fucking. I tried to burn out all screen and it didn't work.
Looks perfect. He's the tag
we
team
both
match.
have equal fatness in cars.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, the blue wing.
Bottle ain't working now, huh?
Oh my god. The cops are like, I smell imports. They're right next to the hot rod though. Ah shit. I smell American muscle, how about that? Get him next time, get him next time. Ron Burgundy, we're Sorry guys, you're a bit too late. I already put one of your friends on his ass. Sorry about that. Aw crap. Another Don't piss him off. Walk away. Walk away. He puts his hand up and goes, yo, don't go getting excited. What would happen if I beat up the dead body? I'd be dead. Officer, how do you like my club? Stare him down long enough, he will punch. Shit, yo! Oh, we're calm, sir. I'm just cleaning my golf club. He won't drink in front of a cop, that's funny. Oh, jeez! Who did he start shooting? Who is he shooting? Oh, he's heated. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Who's he going for? Who is he going for? He's like, that door! He's gonna shoot the wall. He's going after his imaginary friend. What the fuck? Back here! Dude, that is the craziest shit ever! Wait, we all gotta get in front of him and surrender. He'll follow me. He's protecting and serving his best friend. Oh, shit is fucking hilarious. There's just a passed out hobo right here. That's fine. Oh, a few hobos. Right here. Oh, shit! Something will fuck him up. Oh, that's you. Oh! Whoa! That's his life. Feds fucked me up. Yeah. That was weird. I couldn't hear anybody. Alright, yeah, let me get a new one, dude. It'll be even fucking better. Yo, is this exotic fusions gonna raise this right? Whoa. Yeah, oh, what if it's got like... Okay, let's try. Low right. He's like, come on, hit 40. Damn, he launches good with the fucking blade and he's out of here. Launched good with the salt on me. Here, dude, I'll pick you up. Would you jump out? Did you really? Ready? Ooh, I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm losing. Are you underneath of it? What the fuck? How did that happen? That's it. Oh, that motherfucking dude, get that on camera. Look. Dude, there's so many benefits to having a chopper out here, dog. It is awesome. I hate life. Good though, guys.